Namaskara, Bengaluru.
Today marks an important milestone as we are going to unveil the new iQOO 15R.
The iQOO 15R is the fastest smartphone in its segment.
What did you like about the iQOO 15R the most?
Flagship performance.
Compact power banking.
Gaming beast.
Khatarnak.
Slick.
iQOO community has crossed 6 million questers. We have two exciting announcements. The iQOO Community Cup is back for yet another season. For the second announcement, the International Fan Meet 4.0 will be coming very soon.
iQOO